Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. So guys, once again I'm talking about Shiba Inu price update. What's the price? What's the price changes open the Shiba Inu? And guys, as you know, in this video I'm talking about Shiba Inu 2024 price. What will be the price of Shiba Inu in 2024, guys? So let me show you guys, but before starting this video, guys, please I request everybody, especially from Shiba Inu holders, I request to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more update and news videos about Shiba Inu, guys. So guys, you can see here that is the last 2024 price of Shiba Inu. You can see here that is the price prediction by Shiba Inu. Let me show you. That is the current price of Shiba Inu. And that is 24 January 2024 price expectation from Shiba Inu, guys. You can see it is about 0.00325056 USD dollar. That is the price expectation from Shiba Inu, guys. But don't worry, guys, very soon the changes will become high and you will get profit, guys. Here you can see here a lot of months April. You found a 12 months price of Shiba Inu in 2024, guys. So guys, the projection is not high, but remember that we can't say about the future. Maybe the price pump more and more, so the price will be high. But that's normally projection from Shiba Inu, guys, on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of previous changes over in the Shiba Inu, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos.